If you get into a scalp, okay, called her all the way down, she took the bottom, she made 60% on the way back up. That was a scalp. You can do it, right? Even if you're not right in a 2 minute or whatever. If you're scalping and you get into a trade and it keeps going your way, why would we leave, right? Why would we get out of this trade? You see it? There's no reason. Stay in it, right? You can do the exact same method. You could get out some, 10%, right? And do whatever. All the same rules apply. If you get into a good scalp, you don't get out. Why would we sell out a good scalp? Is there ever a reason to get out of a good trade ever? Somebody I saw yesterday had a 50% stop and they let it come all the way to 50%. That's crazy. If you've got to move here and it keeps climbing, move your stop up. It keeps climbing, move your stop up. Does that make sense? Don't just leave it down here and go, well, I don't know what happened. Oh, I lost all my money. Why would you do that? That makes no sense, right? When I say keep your hands off the mouse, that means I don't want you guys going, I'm putting a stop here and here and then here, and then I'm going to do one here, and then here's going to be a stop, and I'm moving that up, and here's the stop right here, and I'm going to put one right there, and oh, I got one right here, and oh, crap, that one stopped me out. Oh, I got stopped out 25 times. Oh, I'm going to get back in. Oh, there it is. There's another stop, and there it keeps going right there. Oh, I can't believe it. I lost $200 on this trade. And I'm like, what? When in doubt, don't cherry pick, right? So you can trade each one of these because each one of these, even on this weird day, each one of these should have been successful for you on Tesla. Here's your 2 minute. Here's your 2 minute. Here's your 2 minute, right? Small, but gain, yes. Huge gain, big time. Collect wherever you want. Massive gain. Right here, pullback, small gain. Does that make sense? So even if if you're not cherry picking these trades, you should have made money on each and every one of these trades. And even if you just did break even or you collected here and you didn't make anything, doesn't matter. Each one of these trades have been successful, right? Even on a choppy day. Because here's the one good thing with it being, even though it's choppy, it isn't sitting around VWAP, right? You got, right? So you had down, up, down, and now we're going up. So at least you're getting some kind of range and it's not just cutting you up around VWAP, because I won't even trade it if it sits around VWAP. You guys know that. You don't touch it around that. Every single time after I choose my option, I always click right here and I say mid price. Always and forever. So many times I have been burned when I don't click this mid price. And this thing could be off by 2 or 3 cents, and I'm buying 1,000 contracts. You could immediately be in the hole thousands of dollars because I didn't click this one button where it auto updated that information. When I'm clicking on these, you see it right here.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I click a put, it'll show that's the put. See it?
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Appreciate that. That was really helpful for me.
Good. Glad to hear it.